Say it now. Say it now.
Hey everybody, guess where we're at?
The Pacific Ocean. I think it's an aircraft carrier. I'm almost positive that's an aircraft carrier. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, hang on. That's an aircraft carrier. Look at the big waves. This is San Diego in, what's the name of this beach? Silver Strand. There's our spot. Ooh, that big thing's hitting my legs. God, look at all them waves. Oh, God, I think he's hitting my legs. Well, here comes the big one. So, always call big ones come in. That's an aircraft carrier. That is wild, man. I know. Oh my gosh, when's the... Oh, wow. Once when the water goes out, it'll suck the sand away from your feet. Feel that? Look at them waves. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, it's like that tsunami. If that tsunami came, we'd be dead meat. Here comes the big one. Hey, that guy's riding the wave. Well. I'm digging on. Oh. I'm gonna sit down.
Hello? Oh, if this is Lee, give us a call right away. We got something we got to tell you. It's a surprise. Okay? Sit down.
Go ahead.
I'm afraid the phone will get wet.
You might want to put it in the bag.
Look at all these seashells. Here, once you put it in your pocket, I'm going to sit down. Things are getting bigger. I better not be the tsunami. I'm going to take a run if they get much bigger.
They just had a
Picture of the ship.
tsunami warning here. And it was yesterday, but they canceled it. It was for San Diego and Tijuana. Damn, no, where that one went. It's just totally
It went,
here.
it went around the bend. Oh, what that is over there, that rock.
This is a lot of fun.
Huh?
This is a lot of fun.
I know.